Hello, my name is James Kozak, and this is my self-appraisal video for KXB202, Project Management for Entertainment. My interest in the field is marketing and general events management and planning, and I do have quite a bit of experience already in this field, not just from this project, but I'm currently working on the annual Backbone Festival, and that's just basically the same thing except a drama and theatre festival on a larger scale over 2 weeks instead of 3 days, which my project was. So the Dreams project ran for 3 days, the 9th, 10th, and the 11th of October. And it was just an art installation on Kelvin Grove campus at QUT, and was just some wholesome and lovable content for the students and teachers and foot traffic of QUT. The skills that I used and gained from this were, I had a really strong marketing and social ethic, effective time management. I was really pushed to use Excel in creating a marketing plan, and I worked well under pressure and in a team as well, which is good. I had the great pleasure of working with some amazing people, some amazing and reliable people who were experienced already. They already had experience in this field, so they nurtured me. They taught me some things. So that was amazing. We first discussed using like Slack, which was alright, but there's no notifications when a group member messages the group, so that was a bit difficult. So we would just have to check. Then we later changed to a Facebook group chat, which is more effective as a bigger application that everyone uses. So yeah. We then used like Excel, Word documents, online Google Docs, and then Facebook and Instagram as well. There was a bit of difficulty with the team though. We all lived quite far away, so that was a big hurdle we all had to jump, driving here, driving there, meeting up at someone's houses or the library. Another hurdle was another member of the group dropped out in I think the 3rd or 4th week, so we're down from 5 to 4 people. So my role in the project was a general marketing communications manager. So I created a marketing timeline and a marketing plan. So from start to finish, I created a 7-week marketing timeline on Excel. So when to upload, what we're doing on this date, so it was just so we could work to a due date. So we had a timeline and we could work to deadlines and get everything done in time. My marketing plan was simple. I'm a consumer of Facebook and Instagram almost every day. So I know how to cater to an audience, especially the audience we were targeting. A lot of the foot traffic at QUT is teenagers or young teens, 18 to 22, 18 to 25. And then there's obviously some adults and mature age students and the tutors as well. So I know scrolling down my timeline, there's nothing more annoying than seeing the same thing 50 times. So I said would upload 1 to 2 times in the first 3 weeks, then in the closing weeks of the event. So last week before we'd upload 2 to 3 times, and that was just how we effectively marketed for the event. And this worked. We created a big following, a decent following. I wouldn't say big, on Instagram. Just shy of 100 followers, so 73, 75, and then we had over 160 invitations and people responding in the Facebook event. So that was good. My skills that I came out of this, I had just effective timeline management and event planning. As I said before, I'm working on the annual Backbone Festival, and a lot of these skills are interchangeable. So this experience here really brought it out to the real world in my future work. Excel documents, I never really had an experience in Excel, and being able to create a timeline on there was a big challenge for me. So I got that done, and that was just a big learning curve for me. And then this is just a general future experience I can take to the real world for event management and marketing. I know how to cater to different audiences' need. For example, I want to be a teacher, hopefully, in the next year or 2. So I know this is different, but as I said, we had deadlines, we had timelines, and I know teachers do that. So just, yeah, thank you for listening.